Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, side impact door beams, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, security system, rear window defroster, child safety rear door locks, power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.